Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Fresh Animation in Minecraft 1.21.5. Let's get started. Make sure Minecraft is closed. Open your browser and search for Fresh Animation Minecraft and go to CourseForge, then Files, then find the latest version for 1.21.5 and click Download File. Now, scroll down and download Entity Model Features and Entity Texture Feature for 1.21.5 Fabric. Next, download Fabric Loader from fabricmc.net, then install it for 1.21.5, then finally download the Fabric API for CourseForge. Now double click the Fabric installer and select 1.21.5 and press install. Open Minecraft Launcher, then installations, then 1.21.5, then folder icon, then mods folder, then drag in Fabric API, then entity model feature and entity texture features. Now go to options, then resource pack, then open pack folder, then drag the fresh animation zip into the folder and hover over it, click the arrow to move it to selected, then press done and Minecraft will reload with the animation applied. And after that, launch Minecraft using the Fabric Loader profile, then enter a world, then mobs. Now open smooth, then update animation, making this game look much more dynamic, then toggle the pack on and off anytime via resource pack. Then make sure all mods match your Minecraft version to avoid crashes. Fresh Animations works best with Fabric compatible mods and can be combined with shaders or cosmetic packs. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.